Hey guys, and in today's video I'll show you how to solve the windmill cube. So this is a very easy cube to solve and I'll show you some tips and tricks, but you should know how to solve a 3x3 first because I'm not going to go through the basics. So go check that video out, it's also on my channel, and yeah, go check it out and then come here to learn the windmill cube. The windmill cube, you should always start off with either yellow cross or white cross. Both of these centerpieces, if they are rotated, they will not get affected. But all the other centerpieces, if they can affect when rotated. So you should not start off with that cross. You can start off, but it's going to be difficult on the last layer. So we're going to start off with white cross in this tutorial, and first thing you want to find is just keep the white centerpiece on the bottom. So find this, so there's white and blue, match it with the blue centerpiece, and then just see if this centerpiece is also matching with it, so it's perfectly smooth, and then you can do F2 to bring it down. So that centerpiece is done. Now this one is orange, but the centerpiece is not right, it's not smooth. So to fix it, just bring the orange edge piece on top, put this away, rotate this in such a way when you bring this back, it is perfectly smooth, and now you can bring this one down. Next one, we have the red one. The red one, we cannot do it because it's not oriented right. And for this, we can do the 3 mover and insert it. But when we do the 3 mover, the centerpiece is not oriented right. And to fix it, just twist the centerpiece in such a way when you do the first step of the 3 mover, it is smooth, you bring it down, and then you bring this one up. Last edge piece is this one, just insert it in the same way as you did with the other centerpieces, and there you go, your white cross is done. Our next step is you can do F2L or you can do beginner's method. I'll show you guys a beginner's method. F2L works the same way, and yeah. So first thing you want to notice is just notice that there's a slant, and the corner piece of that color, so white blue corner piece, will always go towards the bottom side. So this will be where this corner piece goes. And now you can do the RU or the RU R prime U prime algorithm, and just do it until you insert it in here. Next up, we have the green one. Let's just find its slanting, so this piece needs to go here, and just do it until it's set. Same thing with this one. This last corner is over here, so you don't have to recognize for that, but I think you should know the RU algorithm, otherwise it will be up here. And next up, we have the second layer. The second layer is kind of difficult to recognize, but you can do it with trial and error. So we have over here the blue edge piece. The edge pieces only have one color for the second layer. So this one needs to go here. Now there's a trial and error if you want to do it from this side or you want to do it from this side. Let's try with this side first. And there you go, that does not work. Let's try from this side. And it does work. And then you can just insert it using the beginner's method. And there you go, that edge is inserted. I don't really know any trick for it, but if you do know, then let me know in the comment section below, or if you do find some trick, then let me know in the comment section below. Now this one, it goes here, let's try it out this way, and it works. So I can just insert that. Next one, we have this one. So it goes over here. Maybe I think I know it goes from here. Yeah. After you practice a bit, it should just be muscle memory of how it should go, but you might mess up sometimes. And now we're done with the second layer. Next up is OLL. Now OLL is supposed to be a very easy step actually, because you can clearly see what OLL it is. I'm going to show you how to do look OLL. So there's the line, you do FRU R prime U prime F prime, and now it's this case where these two are pointing outwards, so you bring it in the back and then do that algorithm. and PLL on this is very difficult. Let me tell you this, it is so difficult. I just have to figure out, so these two are corner pieces and these two need to swap. These two are corner edge pieces, these two need to swap. I just figured out that this is a J-perm and I can continue with a J-perm. I really don't know how to recognize PLL on this, but if you do know, let me know in the comment section below. And see, I messed it up. So this happens to me every single time and I'm kind of frustrated with it, but I'll figure it out one day. So this one goes here, this one goes here. So that's an A permutation. And I think it's this one. Yeah, it's this one. And sometimes the centerpieces are twisted and you can just fix that easily by just redoing it. And that's pretty much it, how to solve the windmill cube. Again, if you don't know how to solve the 3x3, this might be a very challenging puzzle for you. And I hope you guys like this video. If you did, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys all next time.